everyone, I am Manju Taneja from RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today my topic is past continuous tense. Now we will go with the rules of affirmative. Past continuous tense is a tense which is used to indicate the actions or conditions that were happening at some point in time in the past but have not finished. We use was when the subject is singular and were when the subject is plural. Now we will go with the rule subject plus was were plus verb, first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples are yesterday at 11 a.m. I was having breakfast. The children were playing in the park. I was cycling on the road. These are the rules of affirmative sentences. Now let's look at the general structure of negative sentences. Rules are subject plus was were plus not plus verb first form of verb plus ing plus object. Examples are I was not baking the cake, children were not doing their homework at night, my younger brother was not watching a movie. Rules for interrogative. Sometimes we want to ask questions about situation or action that was happening in the past. Rules are was were plus subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object followed by question mark. Examples are was I baking the cake? Were they doing their homework? Was she going to school? This was all about past continuous tense. I hope you will like this video and share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics. Thank you once again.